Welcome to day 66 of Savage Cash, here with me, Suppoman. In today's episode, I am going to talk about the power of community. Okay, now I have already cited that the power of community is one of the criteria I look for when I am investing in cryptocurrencies. If I can see that they've got a really powerful community like this particular cryptocurrency, Steem has a vibrant community of bloggers, of YouTubers, of social networking gurus, people that love this kind of cryptocurrency platform. Okay, and community is a big thing. Community is actually what achieves a lot of value for a lot of cryptocurrencies. But I'm going to be talking about a different type of community today. I'm going to be talking about my group via the Cryptocurrency Investment Course 2017. Now, I know that I have basically been promoting this course ad nauseum, but the reason why is because actually the community that have come about as a result of this course has been nothing short of spectacular. I love the guys in my community. They are coming up with some really solid gold coins, some really solid gold investments. And one particular investment they have spoken about today is this one, Chaincoin. Now, Chaincoin is really being hyped up today. This is Chaincoin Sunday. Everybody's talking about Chaincoin. Now, you know, kind of last night, it had achieved quite a nice high of $1.40 or so, getting up to $1.40. And then the market reclaimed back a lot of the value. And today in my cryptocurrency community, they have been speaking about Chaincoin and about why you should get into it. Now, Chaincoin has an impressive list of features. Chaincoin offers masternodes. Chaincoin offers a wallet. Chaincoin offers personal banking. There's so many great things to see about Chaincoin. Well, I have seen anyway about Chaincoin. Now, obviously, in my cryptocurrency community, a lot of people have joined it because they want to know what I am trading, what I am buying, what ICOs I'm interested in and investing in on a daily basis. But the community that I have created have evolved. They've all taken this cryptocurrency investment course, which is a 4.5-hour course where they have learned technical analysis, how to invest in ICOs, everything about cryptocurrencies that's relevant to help them make money and essentially appraise a coin. And because a lot of my community have taken this course, they are now knowing what they need to look for in a particular cryptocurrency when they're appraising its value. And despite the fact that today on Poloniex, you know, there are some green, it's still not a great time in cryptocurrency. It's still a bear market. There's still panic on the streets. There's still blood everywhere. And although there is green, that's mainly because prices have gotten so super cheap that there is always going to be some growth. Some people have seen certain cryptocurrencies, you know, like for instance, Bellacoin, one of my coins, I'm invested in Bellacoin. People have seen, you know, these cryptocurrencies at ridiculous prices, and Litecoin, for instance, and they've decided to invest in it because they want to achieve something whilst the market is down. Okay, and some of them have made some good gains today, but it's still a bear market. The SegWit is still affecting the market, you know, kind of mentality. People are still selling coins on the whole. People are still shorting coins because they want to sell at not too big a loss and buy it when the coin reaches a low price that they can then buy at and then make a profit again later on. That's what's happening in the market. And even ICOs, really good ICOs like Polybius, like EOS, when they've gotten to the market, they've done really well and then they've tanked and people are now buying them and accumulating them. But nothing really is safe at the moment. Yet, this coin here, this Chaincoin, seems to be the coin of the day. Okay, and it seems to have some really good features that I imagine will propel it to double figures and maybe even triple figures in the future. I do see a lot of potential in this coin, and I think that at the moment this is a good time to buy it. If we do a Fibonacci retracement, go from the lowest point to the highest point, It is currently, it's just gone over the 50% line. Okay, it not long ago, literally just about less than an hour ago, it was at 61%, and people have done their Fibonacci retracements and they know this is a good coin to buy into, and now look, they've made a nice little gain, and I see this going up and up and up. This is one to get behind now. Okay, now, whilst it's still at the dip. Okay, it may fall a little bit more, but don't watch the price movement for too long because you may miss out. But what I want to say though is the power of community to find this. You know, my community are, you know, they don't necessarily need me to be able to operate on a day-to-day basis. They don't need me coming on saying, yeah, I've invested in this, I've invested in that, for them to actually take action. A lot of them have formed their own community. And they are finding coins that are really investable at the moment. And because it's such a vibrant community, this is one of the best communities I've ever been with. You know, this is a community of people that are good friends with each other now, that are used to speaking to each other now. They've even got a meetup happening later this month. That just shows you the power of the community I have built with this course that I'm offering, which I'd hope that you would join. However, having said that, this is a nugget of gold that has been identified by the community that shows I'm not really needed. The community is where the power is. So I hope this has educated you on, you know, belonging to a community and not necessarily operating on your own or looking for people to spoon feed you investments, but by being in a community, learning the skills, getting educated, and stop gambling on cryptocurrencies. Because gambling is just a case of, you know, you get on Poloniex and you think, today's my lucky day. And then you put, you know, a few $1,000 behind a cryptocurrency, and one day it will do well and you'll have a lot of confidence, and the next day it will tank and you will hate yourself, you'll hate the money you've just lost. You don't want to gamble when it comes to cryptocurrencies. You want to put your investments into a coin that's going to deliver you value. Okay, so being a person with skills, being a person that's part of a very strong community of skilled people will enable you to thrive in a market such as this, a bear market such as this. So I hope that this has helped you on day 66 of Savage Cash, and I will see you in the next episode.